Nov2024 Paper 1 Question 1.1.5. Now this one has a square root, solving x with a square root. So basically, first of all, collect like terms, collect the terms with the square root on one side. So basically we are going to remove the minus x. So we are going to have, I want blue here, we are going to have the square root minus 2x plus 4. This one here is equals to x plus a 2. Then we square both sides. We square both sides to remove. So we are going to remove the square root. So we square both sides to remove the square root. So we are going to say the square root of negative 2x plus a 4, like this, is squared, is equals to bracket x plus 2 squared, like that. So definitely the square root will disappear. So it's going to be minus 2x plus a 4 is going to be a bracket x plus a 2 and x plus a 2, like this. So let's expand the other side. Minus 2x plus a 4. To help those who don't know how to expand two brackets, you multiply this and that, then you multiply this and that, then you come and multiply this and that, you multiply this and that. I'll try to show every step to help those who are not able to see what I'm doing. X times x, it's x squared. That it's a plus 2x plus another 2x plus a 4. Then we can take this whole thing to the other side. So, but it doesn't matter where we're going to put the 0, whether this side or that side. So it's going to be x squared, if we add these two, plus a 4x. If we take this to that side, plus a 2x. Then I add a plus 4, then it's going to be a minus 4. It's going to be a 0. So it's going to be x squared plus 6x equals to 0. So we have got a binomial, which is easy to factorize. So we factorize. Take out the x because it's common in both. X plus a 6 becomes a 0. So x is equals to 0 and x plus 6 is equals to 0. So x equals to 0 and x plus 6 equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 and x equals to minus 6. But we check for validity. So check for validity of the answer. We look at the left-hand side of the question. It had a square root of negative 2x plus 4, right, minus x. Now, the right-hand side is going to be a 2. So we are going to have a very good combination of the left-hand side versus the right-hand side. So we are going to choose. Now, suppose for x equals to 0, our left-hand side becomes a square root of bracket, not bracket, that's a negative 2. Negative 2 bracket a 0 plus a 4, or in the square root minus a 0 there. So we'll definitely have a square root of what? Of 4 only. That's going to be a plus or a minus 2. Remember this one is also in this side. So our x, therefore, we can say therefore x equals to 0. This one is valid answer, is valid for our answers. Then we can now say for x equals to minus 6, we are now basically saying the square root of a negative 2, bracket a negative 6 here, plus a 4 minus bracket a negative 6 or so. So if we get negative 2 into there, negative 6, so negative and negative is positive, square root of a 12 plus a 4, plus the other one plus this plus that, is going to be a plus a 6. So when we do that, we are going to get a plus or a minus a 4 plus a 6. That will first give us a 10 and a 2. So in other words, therefore, therefore, we can say here, therefore, x equals to negative 6 is, okay, we cut it, is not valid. So we only have one answer, which is this one is the correct answer only. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and ask questions and follow me. Thank you.